baby, baby, baby. Sugar, sugar, sugar. Oh, darling, darling, darling. Honeybee bop is on my mind. Honeybee bop, I like that style. Honeybee bop, that sweet, sweet smile. Honeybee bop, look me eye.
Hey guys, I thought I would do an updated what's in my fridge video. Does that make sense? So, let's get started. So, this is the refrigerator, obviously. Duh. Okay, this top shelf, we just have some Simply Orange juice. This is Lipton iced tea. I have some buttermilk, wouldn't be Southern if you didn't have buttermilk, some 1% milk, and then I have my International Delight salted caramel, and that is the white chocolate raspberry creamer, and then Mom's Diet Pepsi. We have steaks because it's Sunday and we're having steaks today. Some eggs, some beets, some pickled peaches. These are leftovers that I actually need to throw away. It's homemade chicken pies and pasta and stuff. Leftover lasagna. These are, they're called Flat Out Fold It. Gluten-free little, you can make sandwiches. Tortilla shells, some holy guacamole, some little parfaits, have sour cream, and those, this is the Braswell's Vidalia onion and peppercorn dressing. We have some country crock and some Tostitos salsa, brown and serve rolls, and here we have, this is sausage, cheese, bacon, deli ham, and this is Duke's pepper, baked ham, pepper and onion spread. Carrots, tomatoes, lettuce, squash, bell pepper, there you go. Celery, cheese, carrots, and lemons, and that's just some garlic powder and some chili powder, and then I have a hot sauce, Famous Dave's barbecue, mustard, Duke's mayonnaise, ketchup, more mustard, pickles, jelly, caramel sauce, Parmesan cheese, pickles, roasted red peppers, salsa, and more dressings and stuff here. And over here, let's start. Those are just some steak fries down there. Then that's all breakfast stuff. Some omelets, some waffles, French toast, some biscuits, garlic bread. This is a chicken dinner, blueberry waffles, some hamburger steak chicken, stir fry thing, meatballs, and then we have some weenies and some vegetables, and then biscuits, and then let's see, green tomatoes and frozen beans and vegetables. So that's all we have in this refrigerator. I have one in the garage, but all it has is our drinks. So that's what's in my fridge. Bye.